When it comes to effects and signal processing, there's no shortage of choices out there for guitarists. But here at Boss, we've always recognized that effects intended for the guitar don't always cut it for the bass. That's why we've long offered high-quality signal processing to meet the specific needs of the bass guitar, making Boss the #1 choice for bassists looking to expand their tonal repertoire. All new for 2008, we're proud to introduce our most advanced bass tone system ever, the GT10B Bass Effects Processor. With a host of Cosm amps and effects designed just for the bass, the GT10B is a low-down tone factory like no other. At its heart is a state-of-the-art DSP engine, the fastest and most powerful that Boss has ever produced. This DSP provides superb effects and audio quality, keeping your bass sound dynamic, punchy, and pristine, even with the most far-out processing. And with a ton of pro features, unparalleled real-time control, and USB connectivity, the GT10B is truly a one-stop dream machine for today's bassists. The GT10B's user interface is streamlined and intuitive, with illuminated buttons, quick-access knobs, and a large, bright LCD that remains visible under direct sunlight or bright stage lighting. 2 independent parallel multi-effects paths give you nearly unlimited effects processing options, including the ability to process the high and low ranges of your instruments separately. 12 different contemporary and vintage Cosm preamp models allow you to shape your bass tone any way you like, from DI clean to tube flavored. There's also a full array of Cosm speaker models to dial in the perfect sound for any direct bass application. The GT10B's massive effects collection includes bass essentials like pro-quality compressor limiter and parametric EQ, along with overdrive distortion, touch wah, bass synth, enhancer, dual band chorus, and many others. Also, outboard or ambience effects such as delay and reverb. The innovative Easy Tone feature lets you create pro bass tones in a flash, even if you've never used a multi-effects unit before. With graphic icons and interactive menus, it's easy to build a sound based upon the style of music you want to play. Selecting and editing effects on the GT10B couldn't be simpler. With Easy Tone Edit, the most important effects parameters in a patch are automatically assigned to the knobs below the display for quick access. Dedicated selection buttons make choosing an effect a breeze. Once an effect is selected, Quick Settings let you choose among many presets for each effect, or copy the effect settings from any other patch. You could even save your own custom sounds as quick settings for easy recall while building patches. Of course, every GT10B effect has a full complement of precise editing controls for microscopic tone tweaking. The GT10B doesn't stop at effects. There's an authentic Boss looper on board, with up to 38 seconds of loop time. This phrase looper gives you unlimited sound-on-sound recording, perfect for laying down bass grooves for on-the-fly backing or song practice. The rear panel USB port lets you use the GT10B as an audio interface for your computer. Easily record bass tracks directly into your DAW software or process already recorded tracks using the GT10B's effects. USB also allows for MIDI data streaming. 9 onboard foot switches and a built-in expression pedal provide comprehensive foot control, including 2 user-assignable control switches and a toe switch in the expression pedal. With both 1/4-inch and balanced XLR stereo sub-outputs, the GT10B provides the audio connections every pro bass player needs. Simultaneously use the XLR jacks as a DI to a PA or recording device, and the 1/4-inch outs to feed your onstage amp rig. There's also a headphone out, an SP-Diff digital out, and an effects loop for easily incorporating external devices. Last but not least, the GT10B is built for life on the road with a sturdy steel chassis, rock-solid pedal, and durable switches. Before we listen to some of the GT10B's great tones, let's take a look at how easy it is to create a sound using the Easy Tone feature and quick settings. To start, press the Create button under Easy Tone. Choose a musical style from among the 9 different tone categories, including rock, R&B, funk, jazz, and everything in between. Then, simply choose a tone variation within the selected musical category. To visually dial up your preamp tone, use the Cool Positional Tone control to move the pointer anywhere on the tone grid, from hard to soft and edge to smooth. To quickly edit the sound, press Edit under Easy Tone. Then, use the P knobs to adjust the tone. To add an effect, just press the desired Effects Select button. From there, use the P knobs to adjust the effects parameters, or use the dial to call up a quick setting. When you're done, use the right button and dial to save your sound as a user patch. That's all there is to it. Hey, that was easy.